You got more questions, but I tell you, if you have a problem figuring out whether you're for me or Trump, and you ain't black.
And you ain't black.
Do you think there's a risk that not just Joe Biden, but the Democratic Party in general just takes for granted that, well, the black people are with us, so we don't really have to give them anything else. They're going to vote for us regardless. Look, they voted for Joe Biden in overwhelming numbers, 6 in 10 black voters, particularly in southern states. They all voted for Joe Biden. We don't need to offer anything more.
It's like you got, whites telling us to stay in our place, and you got black people saying, oh, stop, now is not the time. You're going to get Trump reelected. It has to come to a point where we stop putting the burden on black voters to show up for Democrats and start putting the burden on Democrats to show up for black voters.
Hey, Jet, I heard that old Joy Reid over at MSLSD interviewed Charlemagne the God over at Power 105.1 about Joe Biden concerning that apology over the "you ain't black" statement. Oh, yeah? So what you're telling me is we got a corporate teleprompter reading idiot from the CIA-infiltrated Operation Mockingbird propaganda arm of the military-industrial complex interviewing an agenda-driven, race-baiting nitwit who's soundly a sheep at the wheel, no pun intended, because he's blinded to the left versus right paradigm lie, taking the time to discuss the hollow apology of a banker-bought, sold-out, Title 28, Section 3002, 15A corporate parasite, thus solidifying the distract, deceive, divide, and conquer agenda of fake stream media. Oh boy, what could possibly go wrong?